Guys, in this video, we will discuss about campaign budget optimization in the Facebook ads, which is called as CBO in the Facebook ads. Guys, campaign budget optimization is the feature or setting in the Facebook ads. You have to set this feature at the campaign level. We already know Facebook has three levels, which are campaigns, ad sets, and ads. So when you turn off the campaign budget optimization, by default it is in the turn up mode. So when campaign budget is in the turn up mode, you can set the budget at the ad set level. So if you have the multiple ad sets, you have to choose the multiple budget optimize. You have to choose the multiple budgets per the ad sets. So if you have two ad sets, you have to choose one budget per ad set 1. You have to choose another budget per ad set 2. So under adsets, we have different ads. When you turn on the campaign budget optimization option at the campaign level, then the budget option will be on the at the campaign level. Whether you have two ad sets, 4 ad sets, 10 ad sets, it's not the matter. If you have any number of ad sets, but the option will be the campaign budget option will be, we will sit at the campaign level, and whatever the budget we sit at campaign budget at the campaign level, that budget will be optimized throughout the ad sets and the ads. So if the particular ad or particular ad set giving the best results, then your more budget will be consumed per that particular ad set. If you have the 10 ad sets, and under 10 ad sets, if you have every ad set have the one ad, that means in that case, if the particular two ads and two ad sets are bringing the best results, then the more budget will be consumed for the ads and ad sets which are bringing the best results. This is the very helpful option in the Facebook ads. Most beginners will put the campaign budget optimization in the off mode, and there will be a lot of your budget will be waste. That's why you have to turn on the campaign budget optimization for your Facebook ads campaign. Okay guys, from the next time you are running a Facebook ad, so turn on the campaign budget optimization. So if you have only one ad set and one ad, then it may not like that, because if you have the one ad set and one ad set, if you have only one ad, then so turning on and turning off, it's not that matter, because there is no any effect, because when you have the more than one ad or more than one ad set, then will be the play of campaign budget optimization will come. Okay guys, from now onwards, if you are creating a multiple ad sets or multiple ads under your one campaign, then turn on the campaign budget optimization and optimize your budget, and you can spend less budget for more results. Okay guys, I hope this small video will help you. If you love this video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.